today we're going to make a hot chocolate that's a bit better than what it usually is. This is how to make your hot chocolates better, okay? Okay, come on. Stop filming. we got Galaxy ingredient number right. Here are our ingredients. We got Galaxy hot chocolate, whole milk because whole milk has more flavour, and Horlicks malted milk powder. If you're in the US, it might be a little harder to get this stuff, but I'm sure you can get some sort of equivalent. Maybe it does exist in the USA. I don't know. Next, you want 2 cups.
Look at me.
Recording.
Yeah.
Look at my face. I know. Just even though it's been quite. Okay.
Just relax.
Okay, so you might notice my nipples are erect, and it's been quite a light-hearted video so far, but this really is a tip on how to make a good hot chocolate. This is a pint of wine. I just want to clarify, this is a serious tutorial on how to make a good hot chocolate, so let's resume. Okay, now, you recording?
It was still this.
Get a shot of me getting a spoon of hot chocolate. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to want to make your hot chocolate paste. And that means you get like a spoon. So you're going to want to get a spoon of hot chocolate powder. Actually, make that 2 spoons. And you might notice this cup is a little dirty. That's because we already filmed an attempt before this one and decided it wasn't the right one to go with. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get 1 teaspoon that is of Horlicks into the hot chocolate paste. Last thing we're going to do is milk. Whole milk for flavour. And we're going to add that to the powder to continue making the paste. And you don't need too much. You are literally just making a paste of powders combined. In fact, I've used a little too much liquid. This is more of a slop than a paste. The reason we make a paste first is so we can heat milk up, add the milk to the paste, and this will create a much smoother hot chocolate. If you don't want to do this, what people usually do is they tend to add milk. They tend to add powder to the hot liquid at the end, which can often result in lumps appearing in the surface of their drink. But by doing this, we will minimise the chances of that and also make for a much smoother hot chocolate. So let's continue. Next, we're going to add some milk to the cup. You want to get a nice full cup of milk. Perfect. Now, a lot of people will tell you need to heat your milk up on a hob. And for the most part, I agree. But not everyone has a hob, and not everyone knows how to use one, and not everyone really has the time to use one. And when you use a hob, you have to stir your milk constantly to make sure it's not sticking, to make sure nothing's forming on the top. So we're going to make ourselves the most basic hot chocolate imaginable. We're going to do it in the microwave. Everyone has a microwave, even if you don't. So I'm just going to put it in the centre for extra flavour, and you're going to go over to your button. Okay, and you're just going to want to put in the time. So I've put it in my microwave for a minute, and that's so that technically needs 2 minutes, but if you put it in for a minute, you take it out, you stir it first, just make sure that it doesn't have enough time to get hot enough to froth. I don't fucking know. So the microwave has finished. I've opened the microwave. The milk is hot, but not too hot. It still needs another minute, so I'm going to put it back in for another minute. And this time when your milk's in the microwave, you're going to want to drop down to eye level and just watch the cup spin so you can determine if the milk is boiling over the rim of the cup or if it is safely in the confines of which it is meant to be. Some fun facts about microwaves now. Fuck! It's fucking frothing over. Okay. Get close. Alright. Ah! Bastard! It's red hot. We have our paste. We have our milk. This is the hard part. We need to pour all the milk into the paste without getting milk everywhere. The best thing to do it is with a technique I call the big drop. And it goes like this. Oh fuck. So I've got a bit of milk on the sides, as you can see. Was not meant to happen, but you can't make an omelette without cracking a few eggs. Beautiful. Now get a look inside this hot chocolate now. Why don't you go ahead and do yourself a favour and just have a look at the texture of this. And I want to talk about this for a moment. As you can see, our paste job has left the hot chocolate with no lumps on the top. Instead, we have a healthy froth. Quite desirable. I know I'd much rather suck on a froth than a bitty top of a hot chocolate. So this is like really like kind of what we're going for. Like nice bit of froth there. The Horlicks is really coming through in that colour. I'm going to give it a taste. Bottoms up. Oh my god, that's so nice. Just unavoidable smiles all around. I was thinking about how to fake a smile. That's good shit. But don't let me be the judge. Let the camera lady have a try. Mate, that's too hot. Give it. There you go. How's it?
It's good.
It's good. It's good. Okay, anyway, we'll see you next time on Getting Comfy. This has been how to make this has been how to improve your hot chocolate. That's the name of the video. That's the title of the video. And goodbye.